All right, so how we doing, everyone? So today I bring you these two cool smart products. One is a light bulb, it's an RGV. We're going to be able to control this with the Alexa Google Home right from your phone. Now the next one is a strip light. Strip lights are real cool. We can do the effect that you see right over there, you know, underneath the shelf, underneath the desk. There's a lot of cool things we can do with the strip light. The beauty of this, we're going to be controlling through the network. We're going to be using a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. You're going to be able to use your phone, change colors, schedule when you want this thing to come on and off. I show you these two things in one video right now. All right, so how we doing, everyone? I'm Dario. This is MEDIABOXENT, and today, like I said in the beginning, we have some smart devices. Now remember to follow MEDIABOXENT by just hitting the side and notification bell. Why? Because next time we release another cool product like smart devices that's going to help you into your next project. All right, so my first showcase today is a smart RGV lights. All right, so we're going to put one here and I'll show you how the whole thing works. It's pretty cool. We can control this with Alexa and Google. Now, instructions are always pretty simple to follow. So the one thing you need to do is make sure you download the app for iOS devices or Android. So after you download the app, we're going to be pairing this out. So we see the app right there in the side right now. So I'm going to click the plus, and automatic we see the light bulb. I see automatic shows out because it's using the Bluetooth. So I'm going to click on there. All right, and we can see right there it has the Bluetooth and the little check mark. So it's that. All right, so now light bulb color, we can change the name if we want. Any, you know, it can be chandelier or whatever you want to put, front door, back door. All right, we got there. So now we're going to set the password of the network. So remember, it needs to be a 2.4 gigahertz. So now we put the password and we click OK. So now, since it's already paired with the Bluetooth, it's going to send the information right to the light bulb. The other way around, sometimes we have to pair it to the network and it takes a while. So that's it. It's connected already. We're in. At this point, we can turn it off, turn it down. Let me bring the brightness down. We can change the brightness. If you're going to be using Alexa, remember you need the smart skill for the app I'm using right now, and now you can control this through Alexa. Same thing will be with Google. I can change the color. I can make it red, blue, green. The cool thing also, we have scenes, and we can control it also with the music. Comes to right. Check the link right below to get these light bulbs right now. So now let me show you the strip light. All right, next one is a strip light. Now the next thing, we're going to be using the same app. All right, so we have here, this is total 32 feet, and I'll show you one advantage of this strip light. Now down from here, sure, I can turn it off, turn it on, and with this, what I can do, cycle to different colors. So I can use manual way. Also has a 3M sticker. If you're going to be using all the time your app, then you can stick that and make it nice and neat somewhere. But what I'm going to do now, once again, we're going to be using the app. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show the app once again right there. So when I click plus, and if you see, automatically find it. We can see right there in the side, automatically find it. All right, so this is the 16 footer. So total 32. So we click right there. So it's going to connect the Bluetooth first. It's already connected. Super simple that way. Now we confirm it's a 32 feet. Sure, we can change now. We can call it the lights on the desk. The ones I have on the wall, you can change the name if you want. Make it easy also if you want to, you know, send information to Alexa, Google. Now once again, I'm going to enter my password of my network and make sure there's 2.4 gigahertz. All right, so we click OK, and super fast, it's going to do the connection now. It's going to connect it. Done. So what happened now, it's already connected through the Wi-Fi. At this point, I can turn my phone off. I can turn the Bluetooth. There's no need that anymore. It's only on the beginning connection. So I can turn it off. Now the nice thing with this, the different with the manual remote control, I can change more colors. So I can go here and swap between colors. I can have the wheel if I want, and so I can just go in change the colors I want, you know, green, blue, purple, so I can change it lighter, whiter, so we can change through all these colors through this. You can even create your own colors if you love that. All right, so here we have more colors we can change this, slide there. Now I can bring the brightness down, and also like the other one, we can set the schedule as well too, when this thing want to come on and when want this to turn off, and we can control it as many times you want during the 7 days. So if you see that, pretty simple. They are smart devices. The only requirement is a 2.4 gigahertz. You don't need any extra. You're going to be using your own router. You're going to be using your network. You don't need to buy any hub or any extra equipment. The only thing you need to do is just download the app. It's a free app, and then from there you can control either light bulbs or either strip light or any other devices you want to control through the smart app. All right, and with this we complete the video. I will leave all the links and below this video, and I'll see you next time. I'm Dario. Bye.